Mystro Driver in 2025 offers automation for rideshare drivers by managing multiple apps like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash. It helps auto accept or reject rides, toggle apps on and off, and filter offers based on custom preferences. Many drivers find it useful and claim it saves time while boosting earnings, with a $19/month subscription often seen as worth the investment. However, the app is not without issues. Users frequently report glitches, crashes, and problems with filters not working properly. More concerning is that Uber and Lyft have warned drivers that using third-party automation tools like Mystro could violate their terms of service, risking deactivation. While Mystro can be a handy tool if you drive for multiple platforms, the bugs and policy risks make it a gamble. If you're tech-savvy and cautious, it might be worth trying, but for most drivers, it's safer to leave it. Some drivers also note that Mystro's performance depends heavily on your phone's speed and app permissions, which can make it unreliable during busy shifts. Updates and bug fixes are not always timely, leading to frustration when the app fails at crucial moments. Although it has strong ratings on app stores, these don't always reflect long-term user experience. If you're relying on rideshare driving as your primary income, depending on an app that may glitch or violate platform policies could cause more harm than good.